This is Tim Rozansky with PDQ Restoration. Today, I'm going to go over placing drying fans to promote faster drying. Water damage can lead to structural issues and mold growth if not addressed quickly. Properly placing drying fans helps speed up the drying process and prevents further damage. Why use drying fans? Fans circulate air, evaporate moisture, and reduce humidity, making drying faster and more effective. The best areas for fan placement: bathrooms. Direct airflow towards wet areas, including around the toilet and under the sink. Basement and crawl spaces. Prevent high humidity and mold by ensuring thorough air circulation. Kitchens. Target leaks around the sink and dishwasher to protect cabinets and flooring. Best practices for faster drying. Strategic positioning. Place fans below directly under damp areas, use multiple fans for larger spaces, and also place them in a circulating pattern. Elevate fans. Direct airflow under furniture and carpets for dry flooring. Create cross ventilation. Position fans at opposite ends of the room to push humid air out. Run fans continuously. Keep fans on until moisture levels are fully reduced. Boost drying with dehumidifiers. Extract excess moisture from the air to speed up drying. Heaters. Increase evaporation in cooler climates. Moisture meters. Monitor progress to ensure thorough drying. In conclusion, proper fan placement accelerates drying and reduces mold risks. Combining fans with dehumidifiers and the proper placement of them ensures a clean, safe drying environment. PDQ Restoration, we specialize in water, fire damage restoration across North Jersey. If you have any questions, please give us a call.